Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. This is day 2 of the crash course. Let's begin. Today we are going to discuss the rest of the topics as where we have left out in day 1. We just continue with this problem. Solution. See the first question of today's session. Draw a circle of radius 2 cm and construct a pair of tangents at the non-center end points of two radii such that the angle between the radii is 100 degree. Measure the angle between the tangents. Okay, let's see what is the question. Once again, we should draw a circle of radius 2 cm. By taking radius 2 cm, we should draw a circle. First, let me complete that part. We can see here, first what we are doing, we are going to take 2 cm radius and we have drawn a circle. Next, construct a pair of tangents. Pair of tangent means 2 tangents we should draw. Pair means 2 tangents is called as one pair. We should draw a pair of tangents at the non-center end points. Where we should draw non-center end means this is called as center. Non-center means opposite side, any point, any side on the circle. Let me to take this point as non-center end. So this is the center end and this is called as non-center end. We can see O is the center, but here we can see the non-center end. Here we should draw the tangent. Okay, we should draw the tangent at non-center end. But this is non-center end, okay. But which non-center end? Of two radii. We can see here, this is non-center end, okay. But here what is the condition? Of two radii. 2 radii means we have to draw 2 radius. So this is not. Non-center end means any point on this circle. But what was the condition? 2 radii. Right? Yes. 2 radii such that the angle between the radii is 100 degree. You should take the angle between the radius 100 degree. It means this is your protractor. We can see this is 0 degree. This is 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and this is 90. This is 100. Correct? Now this angle is 100 degree. So keep O. This, can you see this O center? Measure 100 degree. I'll draw this as a basic radius. From here I am going to start counting 10, 20, 30. This is 90. Let me call this as 100 degree. I am going to draw a radius here. We can see this. The angle between these two radius is 100 degree. Understood? Now we should draw the tangent at this end as well as at this end. These two ends are called as non-center ends of two radii. How to draw the tangent? Observe here. The procedure is very simple. I am going to mark this as P. Let me to say this point as Q. It means I have to draw the tangent at P and I should draw the tangent at Q. So what is the radius we have taken to draw the circle? 2 cm. Same 2 cm radius you have to take. Keep the point at P. See, to draw the circle we have keep a point at O and we have drawn the circle. Correct? Similarly here also what we are doing, we are drawing a circle by keeping a point at P, not O, at P. Just take at P, point at P, we are going to draw a semicircle, half circle. By keeping the point at P, draw semicircle. Now we can see this is cutting at this point. Yes, it's cutting the circle at this point. Again keep the point at this point and draw 2 arcs. If not, you can draw one bigger arc. Simple. Just draw one bigger arc. Keep the point at this here. Let me to say this point as R. Keep the point at R. Draw one more, just one arc. Same radius. Okay. Now I am just erasing this point. By keeping that point at R, we have drawn one arc, bigger arc, light arc, not dark, light. Okay. Now again see it's cutting where? At this point. It's cutting at this point. Correct? Yes. At this point and draw one more arc. Keep the point at this point and draw one more arc. Now we can see it's cutting the arc in the space. It's cutting the arc in the space. I have just erased. Here, from here we have drawn this arc, right? So you can erase the extra lines. After this, what we can do, just join this point and at this point P with a straight line by using the scale. Using the scale, join this. It should not cut the circle. It should just touch this point P. It should just touch this point P and it should move. So this line is known as tangent. Okay, I am going to name this tangent. Let me to say this is A and this point as B. Okay, so AB is the tangent at P. You understood the procedure how to draw this? Yes. Similarly, we have to draw the tangent at Q. If you want to draw the tangent at P, keep the point at P, draw the half circle. If you want to draw the tangent at Q, keep the point at Q and we can draw the circle. Then we can draw the circle. If you can't see, again I am going to write, we can see here. Keep the point at Q, draw one half circle. Again we can see it's cutting here. It's cutting at this point. Yes. Again, now I want to draw the tangent at Q, so we have drawn a half circle. Now we can see by keeping the let me to say this point as S. By keeping the point at S, same radius. Okay, are you getting, children? By taking by keeping here the point, what we can do, we can draw a big arc like this. We can draw a bigger arc. Now we can see these two arcs are cutting here at this point. Yes, it's cutting at this point. Draw a little bit bigger arc. After that, what we can do, just a minute, I'll show you once again. If you're getting disturbed, I want to draw the tangent at Q. So what we did, we have drawn, okay, let me say this is the point. Okay, we have drawn one half circle, semicircle. After drawing the semicircle, let me say this is a point. By keeping this as a point, what we can do, we can draw one half circle. Again, by keeping at this point, draw one more arc here. Okay, now we can see these both arcs are joining with each other. Now what we can do, draw a tangent at this point. I hope you have understood this step. So this is a procedure. This is AB. So AB is the tangent and here CD is the tangent. So therefore AB is the tangent at P. CD is the tangent at Q. So this is the end of this problem. Let me solve next problem. Next, question number 2. The next question, number 2. Find the coordinates of point P which divides the line joining A of 4, -5 and B of 6, 3 in the ratio 2:5. Here they are asking us to find the coordinates of point P. We have to find the coordinates of point P which divides the line joining the points A of 4, -5 and B of 6, 3 in the ratio 2:5. Okay. See children, question is very simple. Let me say this is A and this is a point B. Now here somewhere we have a point which is called as P. So this P is dividing the line AB by the coordinate x, y. By the coordinate x, y. So P coordinates will be x, y. And what are the coordinates of A? A coordinates are 4, -5 and B coordinates are 6, 3. So here I will consider, we will consider A of 4, -5 as x1, y1. Similarly, B b of 6 comma 3 as x2 y2 as x2 y2. Okay, p is x comma y. Now he has given the ratio 2:5. Whenever they have given this kind of ratio, always remember that is nothing but m1 is to m2. m1 is to m2 is 2:5. Sometimes we write as m is to n. We also write as m is to n. So this is the data. So first we are going to write the section formula. Whenever they have given this kind of ratio, remember that is section formula. So what is the section formula? We have p of x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. This is the section formula. Okay. Now see children, we can see here this is nothing but x, so these all values are x coordinates. These all are x coordinates. Similarly, we can see here this is y, so these all are y coordinates. Okay, that means p of x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Try to take any one side. Either you take x or you take y. In x you are solving, you are not finding the solution, or the steps are very difficult. So better you can take y. If y is difficult, then you can take x. Any one of these coordinates you can take. Okay. So here p of x comma y, that's nothing but x. So what is the value of m1? We can see here m1 is 2 and m2 is 5. Correct. So what is the value of m1? That is 2. What is x2? That is 6. The value of x2 is 6. Correct. We can see here x2 is 6. Next, plus m2. m2 is, we can see here this is m2. How much it is? 5. Into x1. How much is x1? That is 4. Divided by m1 plus m2. 2 plus 5. So x is equals to 2 6 12 plus 5 4 20 divided by 2 plus 5 is 7. Correct. So the final answer here, x is equals to, because we have to find the values of x comma y, right? So now the value of x is 12 plus 20. How much? 32 divided by 7. Can we check once again all the values whether it is right or wrong? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. What is m1? 2. x2 6 plus m2 5. x1 4. Done. Divided by 2 plus 5. 2 6 are 12. 5 4 are 20. Divided by 5 plus 2 7. 20 plus 12, that is 32. 32 by 7. Correct? Yes. Is it cancelable 7 and 32? No. So x value is this. Let me see p of y. That is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Right? P of y is nothing but y. How much is m1? 2. How much is y2? What is the value of y2? That is 3 plus m2. It's 5. y1, it's minus 5 divided by m1 plus m2. 2 plus 5. Correct? Yes. 2 3s are 6 plus into minus, minus 5 5s are 25 divided by 2 plus 5 7. 6 minus 25, in 6 can we subtract 25? No. No means minus. 25 minus 6, it is 19 by 7. So what is this? Y. So what is the coordinates of p of x comma y? Therefore p of x comma y is equals to 32 by 7 comma minus 19 by 7. So these are the coordinates of P of x comma y. Is this clear? So what was our question here? We can see the question was asked, find the coordinates of point P. So what are the coordinates of point P? That is x comma y. So this x comma y, okay. So what is the value of x here? The value of x is 32 by 7. The value of y is minus 19 by 7. So this is the end of question number 2. Now let's solve next question. We can see here the next problem. Prove that 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Okay, let's solve. Let 5 minus root 3 be the rational number. First, let me assume this as rational number. That's nothing but 5 minus root equals to P by Q, where P comma Q belongs to Z. That is nothing but integer, and Q value should not be 0. Now always try to keep root term in root term one side, rest of the terms opposite side, and root term should be positive, but here we can see the root is negative. So what we do, we have to convert that into positive. So I will shift that root to the other side. So now what happens? 5 minus P by Q is equals to plus root 3. Minus root 3 come this side, plus root 3. Okay, we take the LCM. LCM is Q. 5 into Q is 5Q minus P is equals to root 3. Now we can say that therefore root 3 is rational. Root 3 is rational because 5Q minus P by Q is rational. Okay, but root 3 is not a rational number. But root 3 is not a rational number. This leads to contradiction. This leads to contradiction. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore 5 minus root 3 is rational. 5 minus root 3 is irrational number. Okay, already I have shown you the steps. Again I have solved the same problem. Done. Now let's solve question number 4. The next question, solve x square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0 by using formula method, that is quadratic formula. So first let me check whether it is in standard form as highest degree 2, highest degree 1, constant is equals to 0. Now what is the value of a? The value of a is 1 because it is in the form of ax plus bx plus c. Here nothing is there, we can assume 1 is there. So the value of a is 1. And the value of b is minus 7. The value of c is plus 12. So these are the values of ABC. So what is the quadratic formula? X is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So this is our quadratic formula. Okay. Now is equals to minus. What is the value of b? Minus 7. I am writing in bracket. Minus 7 plus or minus root of b square. B is minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a is 1. C is 12. Is it correct? No, it is wrong. Why? Because whole root should come till here. And this is whole divided by 2 into the value of a is 1. Now minus into minus plus 7 plus or minus root of minus 7 whole square minus 7 into minus plus 7 7 is 49. So it is 49 minus 4 1s are 4, 12 4s are 48. divided by 2 ones are 2. That is 7 plus or minus root of 49 minus 48 is 1 divided by 2. Okay. Now 7 plus or minus, what is square root of 1? It is 1 by 2. Now we can divide this into 2. Okay. 7 plus 1 by 2 and x 7 minus 1 by 2. What is 7 plus 1 by 2 and 7 minus 1 by 2? What is 7 plus 1? 8 by 2. That is 2 ones are 2 fours are. So the value of x is 4. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So what is the value of x? It is 3. So the values of x are 4, 3. Is this clear? So this is the end of question number 4. Now let's solve question number 5. See children, in this question, what is in the adjoining figure, xy is parallel to BC, ax is equals to p minus 3, bx is equals to 2p minus 2, and ay by cy is equals to 1 by 4. Find p. Children, I like to say you one more thing, very importantly, some basics related to your basic proportionality theorem, BPT, or formulas of BPT. Example, here I am going to take 3 different triangles. I am taking 3 different triangles. Let me to call this side is parallel to this side. In this case, this side is parallel to this side. In this case, this side is parallel to this side. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. Again A, B, C. Again even let me say this triangle is also ABC. And here I will give this as XY. Here I will give this as PQ. And here I will give this as C. I mean C is done, right? Let me say MN. MN. Now what is my question? Look at to figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3. Which side is parallel to which side? We can see here clearly this XY is parallel to BC. Right? If here XY is parallel to BC, in this case PQ is parallel to AC. In this case MN is parallel to AB. Now always we should know from where we should start. If you doesn't know the starting point, how can you end? It is not possible. Done? देखो बेटा, हमने हर एक चीज में क्या चाहिए? Starting point चाहिए. We should know the starting point. Now which is the starting point? Very simple. Which are the two parallel sides? XY is parallel to BC from equation 1. Opposite to these two parallel sides, which is the point A. So A is the starting point. Simple. Here PQ is parallel to AC. These both are parallel sides. So opposite to this parallel side, which is the point B. So B is the starting point. Here AB is parallel to MN. Right? Opposite to these two parallel sides, which is the vertex is there. Which is the vertex is there? That is C. So C is the starting point. Now what I will do, except this, nothing is there in your chapter, children. Seriously, it's very easy. I'm just what I'm doing. I'm just giving you the basics from this. How to apply BPT or how to apply its converse or else its corollaries of BPTs. If you want to apply BPT for the figure 1, you should use the logic that is by half. This is my logic. Half by half. So what is this half by half? Simple. Let you take BPT or converse of BPT or corollaries of BPT. Anything you take. But starting point is A. According to this problem, starting point is A. Half. Start from A. Start from A. Right? That is AX. AX means half. AX is half. Again similarly, BX is half. So AX by BX, half by half. Same thing, whatever you apply in the left side, same thing you should apply in the right side. AX by BX is equals to AY by CY. So this is BP. This is BP. AX by BX is equals to AY by CY. Can we apply BPT for this formula? For this figure, figure 2. From where we should start? B. So BP by AP or PA, anything you can use. BP by AP is equals to BQ by QC or CQ. So this is BPT. Can we apply BPT for figure 3? Yes. CM by AM is equals to CN by BN. So this is nothing but BPT. So when we should apply this BPT, we have to apply this basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem when let me say this is the question. He has given this half, he has given this half, he has given and is asking us to find this half. Then we have to apply BPT. Any 3 halves he has given, one more half he is asking us to find, then we should apply BPT. Simple, very simple. One more case, when we should apply BPT, it means that he has given all the 4 halves. He has given in the problem all the 4 half sides. In that he is asking us to find some unknown. 4 भी halves देकर है और उसमें कुछ unknown है, P या X या M. Find P, find X, find K. Okay, then we should apply BPT. If he has given all the 4 half also, we have to apply BPT. Or he has given 3 half and is asked to find one more half, then also we have to apply BPT. Okay, now let me see BPT. You understood, right, children, how to apply BPT? Now I am going to erase this part. Now I will show you how to apply converse or corollaries of BPT. We have 3 corollaries. We have 3 corollaries in BPT. Don't think what do you mean by corollary, all those things. Just you remember this. Let it be 1, 2, 3. Just you, whatever you just remember one thing. What you will apply in one side, the same thing we have to apply in the another side also. That you should not forget. Now let me say corollary 1. What is the logic? The logic is very simple. Second half by full. What is the logic? Second half by full. Corollary 2. First half by full. Corollary 3. Full by first half. This is the logics. This is nothing but the logic. So I am applying these all logics for all the 3 figures. Okay. Let's see. For figure 1, second half. See children, what is the meaning of first half, second half is? This is first half. Can you see here? This is nothing but first half. This is second half. Full means this completely is full. First half is AX. Second half is AB. Again, here is first half. This is second half, and this is full. This is full. Okay. Now shall we apply? Yes. Second half, figure 1, second half, quick. Second half is BX, full AB. So BX by AB is equals to CY by AC. Correct? Yes or no? Second half by full is equals to second half by full. Can we apply for figure 2? What is second half? Second half is, because B is the starting point, so BQ is first half, CQ is second half. CQ by BC is equals to AP by A. Can we apply for this second half by full? What is second half? BN by BC to AM by C. Okay, C is the starting point, so CN is first half, BN is second half. CM is first half, CA or AC is second half. Second half by full. So this is what we have to apply. Now in this also we can see BX has given, AB has given, CY he has given, he is asking us to find AC. Means second half he has given, full he has given. One more set, second half he has given, he is asking us to find full. Then we have to apply corollary 1. Corollary 2, first half, AX by full, AB is equals to by AC. First half by full. Again, first off, BQ by BC is equals to BP by AB. BP by AB or BA. Here, first off, CN by BC is equals to CM by AC. Now, when we should apply third corollary? See children, third corollary when we should use this, I am telling you. First and second corollary we have to apply for left side and right side, excluding parallel sides. When if we are given parallel sides, if we have to use these parallel sides, then we have to apply corollary 3. Sir, how? It means that he has given BC, he is asking us to find XY, right? Or any of this. Then we have to apply corollary 3. If we have to use parallel sides, he is asking us parallel sides, or he has given parallel sides and he is asking some other side to prove, then we have to apply corollary 3. What did I say? Full by first half. What is full? Let me say. Full is BC. First half is XY is equals to full is AB. First half is AX. Full is AC. I have given all the 3 proportions. In that you have to choose any 2. Either you can use BC by XY is equals to AB by AX, or BC by XY is equals to AC by AY. Any of this we have to choose. Understood? In this case, full by first half, right? Full is AC. First half is equals to BC. Full first half is BQ, right? Is equals to just a moment. Yeah, full is BC, first half is BQ, full is AB, first half is BP. Again here also full by half. What is full? Full is AB. First half is MN. Full BC. First half is CN. Full AC. First half is CN. So this is your BPT. From this topic, 100% you can expect one question. Minimum one question from this topic. Just you remember these logics and these formulas. That's more than sufficient. Okay. Now, according to what is the problem he has given? Let me solve here. Once again, I am going to draw the given figure. First, in this question, what did he ask? First, to find. We can see once again I am going to draw the triangle. Okay, this is the triangle he has given, and he said that this side is parallel to this side, and this is A, and this is B, and this is C, right? And XY is parallel to BC. What is AX? P minus 3, BX 2P minus 2, and AY by CY is 1 by 4. We have to find the value of P. Now we can see here AX is half, BX is half. AY by CY is also half by half. So what we should do? We have to apply BPT. So these both are parallel sides. Yes or no? Yes, these both are parallel sides. So which is the starting point? A. So can we apply BPT for this figure? Yes. AX by BX is equals to AY by CY, half by half. BPT. How much is AX? P minus 3. BX 2P minus 2. AY by CY is 1 by 4. Cross multiply. 4 into P minus 3 is equals to 1 into 2P minus 2. 4 into P, 4P minus 4 3s are 12 is equals to 1 into 2P minus 1 2s are 2. Take P terms one side, constant terms other side, that is 4P minus 2P is equals to 12 minus 2. Minus 12 comes to the other side, it becomes plus 12. 4p minus 2p is 2p. 12 minus 2 is 10. So p is 1. Therefore, the value of p is 5. Simple. See, just if you know the formulas, it's so easy to calculate. Okay. I hope you have understood question number 5 and related to this problem some basics. Okay. Let's solve question number 6. See children, question number 6. We have to construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 4 cm and then another triangle whose sides are 1 by 2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. So what we should do? We have to draw an isosceles triangle, right? What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Any two sides are equal. Okay. How much is base? By taking 4 cm, draw the isosceles triangle. Understood? Just take base 4 cm. And he has given the scale factor 1 by 2 times. 1 by 2 is nothing but, if you convert this, what happens to 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So scale factor is 3 by 2. Use the scale factor 3 by 2 and draw the one more triangle. Simple. I hope you can do this construction. Right? You can draw base 4 cm. Draw base 4 cm. Let me to say this as xy or AB. Okay. Take more than half. Take more than half of xy. Cut 10 arcs at both the ends. By keeping x as a point, cut an arc. By keeping y as a point, cut an arc. You will just join this. Okay. Then what we have to do? Because we have to get isosceles triangle, right? Yes. How much height you can cut? Your wish. Somewhere you just cut, because you have not given the other two sides values, right? So just cut somewhere of this straight line. Then join from here to here. Then join this point from here to here. Let me to call this point as A. Simple. Now we can see we have got the isosceles triangle. After taking the isosceles triangle, draw the line 3 by 2, right? So cut into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, 3, join with this end. Then after this, you know the procedure. You understood now? Just by taking 4 cm base, how did we draw the isosceles triangle? If he has given some other values, so we would have considered for these sides. For AX and AY, we would have considered, but he has not given any other two sides value, right? So you can draw the figure in this format. So this is what our question number 6. If you find still doubt, so please you can comment me or you can share your doubts. I'll help you out. If you are not finding the solution for this, I'll help you. Okay. This is question number 6. Now let's solve question number 7. We can see here the next question number 7 here. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. Find the mode of the data. What is asking? Forget about whatever they have given the sentence in case if you are not understanding. Just see to the main concept. What is asking? Mode. That's it. We have to find the mode. And here runs scored and number of batsmen. So what are the runs they have scored? 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8 and 8 to 9000. Number of batsmen. The number of batsmen who has scored the runs between 3000 to 4000 is 4. Right? Same 4000 to 5000. How many batsmen have made the score? 18. 5 to 6, 9. 6 to 7, 7. 7 to 8, 6. 8 to 9 is 3. Now first what we do, we write the mode formula. What is the formula to find mode? Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Correct? Whole divided. So this is the formula to find mode. Correct? Now what I will do, now what we will do here, simple. First let me find all the unknowns, whatever he has given. Sir, how to find unknowns in this? how to solve? Can you tell me, any of you, how to solve this? How to find L? How to in median we have already ensured that in median what we did, we took n by 2 value. That value we took the range and we found the value, right? Similarly in mode, how to find L, lower limit? So first you target highest value. In 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, in these numbers, number of batsmen whose value is highest. Whose value is highest? He is first. He is F1. See children, I hope you have seen this type of structure. This is 0, then 1, then 2. If 1 is coming here, left hand side to 1 is 0, right hand side to 1 is 2. Similarly, this is F1. Left hand side to F1 is this is F0. Right hand side is this is F2. First you choose the highest one, that is F1. Left is F0, right is F2. Top is F0, bottom is F2. Understood? Simple. This is the procedure. It's very easy. In case if you get mode, it's your bumper. Diwali offer. Okay. So from the first value, what we do, we will choose. From the first value, what is the range? This range is known as, sometimes it is asked for 1 mark. Okay, you should not forget. That is modal class. Which class? Modal class. So what is modal class? 4000 to 5000 is modal class. From this we are going to find the value of L. So L is lower limit, that is nothing but 4000, that is L. How much is F1? F1 is 18, correct? The value of F1 is 18. Next, F0 is 4. Next, F2 is 9. H means I told you the difference between the numbers 4000 to 5000. So what is the difference between 4000 to 5000? That is 1000. Or 5000 minus 4000 you do, you will get the difference. That is H. So H is 1000. So simple, right? Or it's difficult? Tell me soon. It's easy, no? Yes, it's very easy. Now, just substitute these values. Mode is equals to L. Lower limit is 4000 plus F1 is 18 minus F0 is 4 divided by 2 into F1 is 18 minus F0 is 4 minus F2 is 9 divided by into H. H is 1000. Done? Yes. Now we can see here 4000 plus 18 minus 4 is 14. 18 2s are 36. Minus 4 minus 9, if both are minus we should add, but minus remains same. That is 9 plus 4 is 13 into 1000. Now we can see here 4000 plus 14 by, if you want to do any calculation you can do in the right hand side. 36 minus 13, 6 minus 3, that is 23. 23 into 1000, correct? Now 4000 plus, is it cancelable? 23 and 1000 or 14 by 23, is it cancelable? If it is cancelable, you can cancel it. If not, you just multiply. What numbers we have to multiply? 14 into 1000, 14,000 divided by 23. Correct? See here, whichever the division you know, you can do it, no issue. 23. In 23 tables, two numbers if you take 14. In 23 tables, 14 doesn't go, right? So shall we multiply 23 into 6? At least we have to get 140. 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 138. It is nearest to 140. Yes. Always give preference for 6 first. If it is less, increase 7, 8, 9. If it is more, decrease to 5, 4, 3. So remember 6 is lucky number. 23 6 are 138. Correct? 26 3 are 138. So what we should do now? 60 here. What happens? 23 60 here. Okay. Slightly, I think it's very difficult for you. Sometimes I am speaking about below average students. What you are supposed to do? I can give you one more clue. It's very easy. Like this also directly you multiply and divide. For bigger numbers, for division, for some students you may face problem. So I can give you the clue. Just divide 14 and 23 itself. 14 by 23. So what happens? 14 divided by 23. In 23 tables 14 goes? No. So take 0 point, take 1 0. Correct? 23 6 how much? 23 into 6 6 3 is 18, 6 2 is 12 plus 1 13, 138. Just now we did right? Yes, 138. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 3 0. Okay, 2. Already we have kept a decimal, so we can take 0. Is 1 0 is sufficient? Between 23 tables, 20 will go? No. So what we can do? We have to take one more 0. Here also one more 0. Now we can see 23 8 0. 23 8 0. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2 18. 184. The numbers will go on continue. So no need to worry. After 0.2 digits or 3 digits, you can stop. So directly we can write here 0.608 into 1000. 0.608 into 1000. That's nothing but 4000 plus 0.608 into 1000. How much is this the answer? It is 608. 4000 plus 608 is 4608. So this is the value of mode. 4608. Any doubts? See children, you should remember the calculation, that's it. See the 4000, these numbers are separately. Just you can take this as separate, calculate these values. If you want, you can multiply 14 into 1000, 14,000, then you can divide by 23. If you feel it is bigger number, just divide 14 and 23 first. That number multiply by 1000, we get this answer 608. Then you add with 4000. So 4608. So this is the way we have to find the value of mode. I hope you have enjoyed this problem. Thank you. Let's solve the next problem.